my struggles as head of house, I just feel like I'm walking on eggshells. That's just it. Yeah, and I feel like I'm not. Some people clearly don't want me as head of house, so they're kind of upset and they're trying to do whatever it is to just frustrate me. That's it.
V and Nengi are trying to get me disqualified, Erica tells Big Brother. Big Brother Naija housemate Erica has complained about Lucy and V, who she alleged were trying to get her disqualified from the reality show. Erica was issued a second strike recently by Biggie. Any altercation with any housemate or disobedience of any house rule from her will result to a third strike and disqualification from the BB Naija Season 5. Erica, during a diary session, lamented that V and Lucy were making things difficult in the house and trying to make her get disqualified. She explained that V has been making side comments and not cooperating whenever the house has a tax. She said the argument with Lucy on Thursday was also targeted at her in order to get her a strike. Erica said, "I'm not feeling so good because I feel I have not done well as head of house. I've been breaking rules like whispering and some housemates are trying to frustrate me to get a third strike. V and Lucy are making things difficult for me and trying to get me disqualified with their attitude." Guys, what do you think of this? As Erica has just revealed to Big Brother that the housemate have hidden agenda against her and that they're trying to get her disqualified. Do you think this is true? Please let me know your comments in the section below.